In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit ad groups in Google Ads. If you're optimizing performance or just tidying up your structure, knowing exactly where to go and what to click will save you time and reduce mistakes. I'll walk you through the navigation, show you where your controls live, and explain what to expect as you make your edits. Start in your Google Ads account and look to the left-hand navigation. Click on Campaigns in the left bar. This expands the Campaigns section in the left pane so you can see more options beneath it. From there, select Campaign Groups. This view helps you organize related campaigns and quickly access the elements within them. Depending on how your account is structured, you may see both campaign groups and the ad groups that live within your campaigns. The key is that this pane and its list area are the gateway to the items you can modify. Once the campaign groups view is open, you'll see a table that lists what you've created. Scan the table to find the campaign or ad group you want to work on. When you've identified the right one, check the box to the left of its name. The moment you select that checkbox, a context bar will appear at the top of the table. That bar is your action hub. It only appears when something is selected, and it contains the tools relevant to your selection, so you don't have to dig through menus. With your item selected and the context bar visible, click Edit. That's the control that opens up your editing options. After you click Edit, you'll be able to adjust details tied to the selected campaign or ad group. For an ad group, that typically means things like the ad group name, targeting focus, or bidding approach, along with any settings that control how your ads in that group are organized and delivered. Take a moment to review what's available on screen, make your updates carefully, and double-check that you're editing the correct item. Small changes can have meaningful effects on performance, so it's worth confirming you're in the right place before proceeding. And that's all there is to it. Click Campaigns on the left, expand the section, choose Campaign Groups, select the campaign or ad group you want, and use the Edit option in the context bar to make your changes. Keep things organized, be intentional with your edits, and you'll keep your account running smoothly. If this was helpful, follow along for more simple walkthroughs just like this.